So there is an important update on YouTube and it's concerning monetization on YouTube. And this update came in like 50 something minutes ago. And I thought I should like share with you guys so that your mind will be at peace. So if you have been checking your revenue update from yesterday or even day before yesterday, for those ones that don't really notice what is actually going on their channel, you will notice that the revenue metrics is not the same. Like when it's not the same, like the ad revenue update is not the same. Like you just see that there is no shift from anywhere. And especially for those ones that have been getting views on your channel and you feel like, why is this one not updating? Why is this one supposed to go up? Why is this one supposed to go down? Anyways, YouTube launched out a new update and why that is actually happening. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. So like I said, it is very important for you to take conversant note of everything that is happening on your YouTube studio. That will also help you to know when you are improving and when you're not improving. That will also help you to know when a particular video is doing well and when it's not doing well. So YouTube actually launched out this and they said they have issues with ad revenue metrics. They said, hi creators, we are aware that some of you are experiencing an issue with incorrect and revenue metric displayed on newly uploaded videos. Our team are aware and effectively investigating this issue. We will update this trend as soon as we have a new information. Thank you for your patience. Details monetization on YouTube. And why they're actually saying this is because a lot of people are beginning to ask questions. And that is why for me, I suggest you always go to your channel so that you will actually see what is really happening, because I know that a lot of people do not even notice that this was actually happening. But me, when I was checking my details and analysis, I already know that something is wrong somewhere. And when I saw this morning, I was like, oh, no wonder. This is why the ads is actually not placed in the right position that is supposed to be placed. That's one. And secondly, the money is not entering as it's supposed to be entering. Just imagine you have like over 2,000, 3,000 views in the last 24 hours and the money is not being accumulated. So if you're experiencing this is exactly what is actually happening on YouTube. And YouTube said they're actually working on it. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they will work on it so that every single person will have to start getting what they are supposed to get. So another thing is, one thing I also need to tell you about YouTube, if you want to be getting more of YouTube update, for those ones asking me, oh Vibration, where do you get your update from? How can I get my update? And so on and so forth. You can go ahead to join the YouTube community on X. X is the now known as Twitter, you understand. So you can go ahead and join them. You can also join their community as well by always looking at your what they call it, your notification update on YouTube. Like it will help you go a long way, you get, so that whenever they are even dropping new updates about new things, you will also be aware. And another thing again I should also advise you is you can follow some creators insights as well that are mainly working for YouTube. For those ones I will say, how do I know them? I don't know them. Let me know in the comment section if you actually want me to do a video on how you can know them and then get exactly what you're supposed to get. You understand? So this update is not actually funny because a lot of people are actually dropping their screenshots. Oh my god, this a lot of people are dropping their screenshot about revenue. Anyways, that's the update I want to give you guys. I want to give you guys this morning, and I don't want this video to be more longer than it is. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like this, you drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I do add like always say in my videos, I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys, I love you. Mwah.